Diseases of plants, its symptoms, and causal organism part 1. The cercozoan Plasmodium brassicae causes clubroot and crucifers. The lower leaves turn yellow and the plants wilt during daytime. Roots of the infected plants enlarges to produce a club or knob-like structure. So this takes place as a result of hypertrophy and hyperplasia. The hypertrophied cells, you can see that is given in the picture, and which is denoted with blue, is nothing but the plasmodial cells. The chromistin Pythium species produces damping off. There is two types of damping off. One is pre-emergence and the other one is post-emergence damping off. Here the picture A denotes post-emergence damping off with the reddish brown lesions in the collar region spreading in both the direction. And you can also see stem girdling resulting in a wire stem symptom. And the hyphae is given in the right top, which is sinusitic and hyle. And the picture B is the oospore produced by Pythium species. Phytophthora infection is again one of the most important pathogen under Mycota. It causes late blight of potato. Here the symptom includes water soaked lesion in the upper surface of leaves, which later turn necrotic, blackish, or into a brown lesion. So under a humid condition, the corresponding lower surface will be covered with a white sporulation comprising of sporangiophores and sporangium. The sporangium produced by Phytophthora is lemon or pear-shaped with papillae at the tip, and unlike Pythium, there is no vesicle produced in Phytophthora. Albugo blighty causes white blisters. Albugo, there is another species, that is Albugo candida. So here the white blister is produced in amaranthus, particularly in the lower surface of leaves, which contains a powdery spore. The corresponding upper surface exhibits a chlorotic spot. Sporangiophores here are hyaline. They are cylindrical, which is given in the right lower picture, or they are club-shaped, bearing hyaline, globose, and chain of sporangia. Hyaloperanospora parasitica causes browny mildew in mustard. So the symptom includes abundant, feathery, soft, whitish growth comprising of sporangium and sporangiophores on the lower surface, whereas the corresponding upper surface will exhibit a chlorotic lesions, particularly angular in nature. Later, the entire leaf turns necrotic and dries up. The sporangiophore of the pathogen here is dichotomously branched with a pointed tip, bearing the sporangium. Pseudopernospora cubensis again causes downy mildew of cucurbits with a similar type of symptom, but the upper surface here exhibits an orange-yellow discoloration, which is very, very unique in case of cucurbits. And the difference between Pseudopernospora and Hyalopernospora is that the sporangiophore is dichotomously branched with a pointed tip, but the sporangium are brown to violet in color. This is the unique nature of Pseudopernospora cubensis. Plasmopara viticola is again one of the important pathogens which causes downy mildew in grape wine. And the difference between Plasmopara viticola and other organisms is that here the sporangiophores are branched at right angles. Rhizopus autocarpi, one of the important pathogens at the Zygomycota, it causes fruit rot in jackfruit. The initial symptom includes watery, soft, brown spot in the immature fruits, which later gets covered by a grayish-white mycelium. So this later turns black due to the production of sporangium and sporangiospores. Severe infection leads to fruit shedding. The pathogen here produces an aseptate sinusitic brown hyphae, and it also produces rhizoids. That's why the name Rhizopus, and which is to anchor the fungus, which is given in picture D. And it produces the sexual spore, zygospore, which are double-walled, brown in color. So here the zygospore is given in picture B, and it serves as a primary inoculum, as well as they also serve as a resting spore. Thank you.